Oh, it's stormy. We'll have to cancel our picnic. Actually, who says we can't have a picnic indoors?
I don't know.
Not me.
Nobody.
Let's go.
You know what could make this picnic fun?
What?
A food rainbow. One easy way to be healthy is to eat different colored fruits and vegetables. A rainbow. To be sure you're getting all sorts of vitamins and minerals. Should we try it?
Sure, yes.
Let's each pick a color.
Red.
Orange. Green.
I can do blues and purples.
Cool.
Let's go check out the fridge. And don't forget the pantry for dried fruits and canned vegetables.
Yes.
All right, gather round. Look at these beautiful fruits and vegetables. They're rich in vitamins A, B, C, E, and K to help your body parts work properly. Some help fight off illness and some help heal wounds. So, Cowie, you chose red. I see cherry tomatoes, a jar of red peppers, apples, and strawberries.
Right.
Red fruits and veggies are packed with vitamin C and K.
Cool.
Next is orange. That's yours, Lisa?
Yep.
Sweet! I see oranges, dried apricots, canned peaches, and baby carrots. Orange foods give us vitamin C and potassium.
Oh.
Who's next? Right, Billy, yellow. We've got bananas, pineapple, lemons, and corn. Yellow fruits are packed with vitamin C and vitamin A for healthy skin and eyes. Elliot, your turn. You've got green foods.
Sure do.
Green goodies. Lettuce, snap peas, broccoli, avocado, and kiwi. Green produce has many vitamins, including vitamin E, another health booster to fight off sickness. Red, orange, yellow, green. That leaves me.
Yay!
I found blueberries and blackberries. Oh, and eggplant, or aubergine as it's called in many places. Blue and purple superfoods help your brain and heart. Our rainbow is complete. Is everyone enjoying their meal?
Delicious.
A rainbow a day keeps the doctor away.
Look outside.
No way.
A real rainbow.
That means we can go outside.
That's music to our ears.
Let's sing a song about healthy bites. Ready?
I am a banana, yellow and smooth. Check me on your list. I'm a fruit. And I am a carrot, I make a loud crunch. I am a vegetable, eat me with your lunch. Veggies and fruits, we're good for you. We taste real yummy, put us in your tummy. Veggies and fruits, we're good for you. We taste real yummy, put us in your tummy. I am an apple, delicious and sweet. I am a fruit, 'cause I have seeds.
And I am a tomato from the salad mix.
We're so sorry you're not on the list. Veggies and fruits, we're good for you. We taste real yummy, put us in your tummy. Veggies and fruits, we're good for you. We taste real yummy, put us in your tummy. Hello, we're grapes, and aren't we cute? You can let us in, 'cause we are fruits, and we are lettuce, so let us in. We are veggies, not like him. Veggies and fruits, we're good for you. We taste real yummy, put us us in your tummy. Veggies and fruits, we're good for you. We taste real yummy. Put us in your tummy. Hello again, I've got some news. I'm a fruit! Veggies and fruits, we're good for you. We taste real yummy. Put us in your tummy. Veggies and fruits, we're good for you. We taste real yummy. So put us in your tummy.
All right, Lingokids friends, it's time to go outside and play.
Yippee!
It's a beautiful sunny day, the perfect weather to have fun at the playground. I think I'll come outside too. Oh, a puddle. Silly me, I forgot that it rained yesterday. Where did the rain go? Good question, Billy. Rain is part of the water cycle. The word cycle means circle. Some water on Earth travels in a circle, up into the air, moving with the wind, then down onto the earth and back up again. Get it?
I'm not sure. Not really.
Well, let's look at this puddle. Today is sunny, so tomorrow the puddle might be gone. Where will it go?
It will dry up.
Right, Lisa. That's called evaporation. Say it with me. E-va-por-ra-tion. Tiny amounts of water go into the air until all of the water in the puddle is gone. It's happening right now, even though you can't see it.
Wow.
When the tiny bits of water are way up in the sky, they cool and connect together to make clouds. That has a fancy name too. Condensation. Try that word. Con-den-sa-tion. Excellent. See those clouds far, far away? They look gray, don't they?
Yes.
As clouds move across the sky, they pick up more water from the air. If they get too heavy, the water starts to drop. That's rain. It's also called precipitation. Come on, say it. Precipitation. You got it. If it's really cold, snow falls down. Then the sun warms up the air, the snow melts, and the whole cycle starts over again. The weather is constantly changing as it cycles around the planet. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. We're in luck today. The weather report says sunny skies with only a few clouds.
That's music to our ears.
Well then, let's sing a song about different kinds of weather. Ready? Here we go!
Hello there, sun, 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 sun. We're gonna have fun, 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 fun. Hello there, sun, 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 sun. We're gonna have fun, 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 fun. Oh, here comes the snow, 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 snow. It's snowy all day, 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 day. Here comes the snow, 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 snow. We're gonna play, 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 play. Oh no! Can
What's up, Cowie?
Pencil! Book! Friends! School! Teacher! Apple.
Don't worry, Billy. The rest of the robots aren't so good. Maybe I was wrong. Math test. What is the mass of the universe? Correct. Strength test. What is the answer to life, the universe, and everything? Correct. Focus, focus. Math test. You got it? Oh. How about this? You got it? Oh boy. Poor robot. Congratulations, everyone! Bye-bye!
Here, baby bot, have some popcorn. Just don't eat too much, or it will mess up your digestion, and your tummy will hurt.
Digestion?
That's right. You know, digestion. Wait, you don't know about digestion?
No. I know nothing, but I can learn.
Good, I'll explain. Actually, I have a better idea. Digestion is how food gets turned into energy. And that guy needs a lot of energy.
Energy?
Yeah, energy is power. You need it to do, well, anything. Like pick up a bus. Did you know that there are 6 steps to digestion? Well, there are, but it looks like our friend here is getting started on step 1. Chewy! When you eat food, you have to make sure you chew really well. Just don't eat too much. You probably don't know where food goes when you swallow it, do you? Of course you don't. That's step 2. When you swallow food, it goes down a tube called the esophagus. And from there, it's moved down to your stomach. And that's where the real fun begins. Step 3. Here, the stomach mashes up the food, and special acids dissolve it even more. Watch out, baby bot. That stuff is dangerous. See? goes in step 4? I bet you don't. It goes into the small intestine, which is a really long tube that twists and turns. As it moves through the large intestine, water is removed from what's left until it becomes... Well, you know what it becomes then, right, Baby Butt? It becomes poop, Baby Butt. And do you know what happens in step 6? It's the final step. Of course you don't. It travels through a tube called the colon until it comes out of the... You know. That was fun. I think I ate too much popcorn.
Thanks, Elliot. I know digestion. But do you know where digestion ends?
No.
I didn't think so. Digestion ends in the toilet.
I need that. Come back here. This isn't funny.
Rise and shine, everybody! Lingokids Camp has officially begun. First order of the day, hygiene. Starting the day off clean. Grab your toothbrush and toothpaste and follow me. We're headed to the camp sinks to brush our teeth, Billy. We'll get rid of the monsters in our mouth.
Monsters? In our mouth?
Yes, while you sleep, little monsters called bacteria grow in your mouth and create a sticky white film called plaque. If you don't brush, the plaque hardens, causing cavities.
Ouch!
And gum disease. And bad breath.
Yuck!
That's why we brush every morning and night. Yes, Billy, flossing removes monsters hiding between your teeth. Okay, here we are. Ready? Brush in small, gentle circles right along the gums. To the left and to the right. And down in the little spaces. No more monsters. Now, rinse, swish, and spit. It gets rid of any monsters trying to eat the sugars inside your mouth. They love sugar. When the bacteria eats sugar, it eats away the protective layer on your teeth. That layer is called enamel.
Is that bad?
Without the protection, tooth decay and cavities happen. Then the dentist has to drill and fill the holes.
Yikes!
Right? Not fun at all. So take a big swig of water. Swish! That will keep your smile fresh and monster-free.
That's music to our ears.
Well then, let's go for a hike and sing a song about keeping our teeth clean. Ready? Here we go!
Every morning I brush my teeth. My smile is clear, no monsters in here. I brush left, I brush right. I move it in a circle, and I spit it out. I move it in a circle, and my smile is bright. Brush away, little monsters go away. When I brush my teeth, I make them go away. Brush away, little monsters go away. My smile is way too bright for you to stay. I brush my teeth in the morning every day. Come on, everyone! Up, down, left, right. Circle, 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 and spit it out. Every night I brush my teeth. My smile is clear, no monsters in here. I brush left, I brush right. I move it in a circle, and I spit it out. I move it in a circle, and my smile is bright. Brush away, little monsters go away. When I brush my teeth, I make them go away. Brush away, little monsters go away. My smile is way too bright for you to stay. I brush my teeth in the night every day.
I want to paint something really beautiful. But what? What could be so beautiful? Baby bot? Look, a beautiful ladybug. Baby bots, back your tails!
I want to be beautiful. Look, Cowie. I am beautiful ladybug.
Wow.
I am a beautiful ladybug.
A butterfly!
Wow.
Beautiful!
Look. I'm a butterfly.
Wow! Look at that cloud!
Huh? Cowie! Look! I am beautiful cloud! Feed me, Cowie! Look at me!
Baby bot, what are you doing?
I just wanted to be beautiful so that you would paint me.
Oh, baby bot. Can you cover your eyes for a minute, baby bot? Now we're gonna paint the most beautiful thing in the world.
What is it?
Okay, you can look now. Ta-da!
Huh?
You don't have to change how you look. I like you the way you are, baby bot.
Beautiful.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels.
That was fun.